ABC Kids.
Welcome to ABC Kids Academy, where we've been providing high-quality preschool education for over 25 years. And the best part, it's free for Harrison residents. Our 6 classrooms inside are staffed with NJ-certified teachers and caregivers. Each class only has 15 students to make sure that there's enough resources and time to give each individual child the support they need for academic success. Come on in and let me give you a quick tour of the facility. We use the Creative Curriculum. This is a research-based teaching methodology that empowers students to make their own choices about their areas of academic interest. Our 6 beautiful, well-equipped classrooms are filled with various work centers for our little learners. Everything from dramatic play, to maths, to science, and construction. All of the classrooms also have a library for quiet reading time and a cozy corner for students that get a little bit overstimulated during the day and just need some time to calm down. As the only school in Harrison that has an indoor play gym, our little learners have access to their gross motor education no matter what the weather. It is essential for your child's learning to make sure that the school and the parents are working together as a team. For this reason, we use the Creative Curriculum online assessment tool. 3 times throughout the school year, parents will receive progress reports to make sure that they're up to date on their little learner's academic journey. ABC Kids has always had strong family values. Throughout the year, we run several activities to invite parents into the school and actually spend time with their kids in an academic setting. This gives everyone a chance to see all the hard work the teachers are putting in and just how much fun education can really be. Come on in for a tour and we'll give you the full look. See you soon!